Riding around and just spending time on my bike. Right now I'm crossing the McCormick and Monument Road, and I'm heading to Colonel Road. The plan is to head to St. John's town center and ride from there. Riding the Colonel Road bike trail. It's a nice trail. It's enjoyable to ride. The main thing is that you're out of traffic. Don't you worry, I'm not gonna leave you here. Now I'm on the other side of Beach Boulevard and I'm going to UNF, and the plan is to ride to St. John's Town Center, heading into UNF campus. I think the next one would go straight through. This one goes a longer way. It's a nice ride. I totally enjoy it. So now I have to figure it out. Is that the backside already? Oh, I don't even know. I'm just gonna go where the road goes. Okay. St. John's Bluff Road left and the Beach Boulevard right. St. John's Town Center. Yep, that's the St. John's Town Center. I think I'm gonna stop somewhere, get a coffee and spend some time here. And then continue. I'm riding St. John's Bluff. Straight back. Oh man. Oh,
I'm really sorry. Didn't see it. Obviously, there's a lot of cars on the road right now.
oh man. Sit down.
I'm gonna pull up.
Yeah. I got you.
I think I'm gonna be fine.
Yeah. Should I tell her not to call the police?
No. Hey. I'm gonna be fine.
Give me 1 second.
Alright. Yeah, I think
There's
so.
an ambulance right down the street with something else going on.
No, it's all good.
Clean shirt. You want it for your elbow.
Yeah.
Okay, well, just make sure.
Thank you.
I'm really sorry. I've never had anything like that happen to me.
Yeah.
This is all these cars coming, and yeah, I had 2 seconds to
I
pull
wonder
out.
if the car.
I'm glad the bike seems okay. Obviously, your body is more important than that.
Yeah.
Really
Let me
apologize.
just sit down.
Yeah.
I will not.
Sorry about I'm not tripping, but welcome to my show. Let's take some time. Do you have water?
Yeah, I need some water.
And yeah, it's crazy because somebody just got in an accident. The whole Atlantic is closed off right now. There's a motorcycle down there and they got it taped off.
I think he died.
And I assume
Really?
the whole road is blocked off on that side. So that's what's going on with all this traffic right
As I was making the left-hand turn, I honestly was thinking about
Oh, he's
you
gonna hit
on
him.
the bike, and then I heard it And I was like, no way, I just heard.
And I couldn't even get up. I lay down and I tried to lift myself up, and it was like a nightmare or something like. Then slowly came back. I'm glad I had the helmet on. I mean, always wearing that,
sure,
but without the helmet, it would be just.
How long have you been riding? Anything close like that ever happened? Jesus.
I never got hit by car. I crashed myself like 3 times, but never hit by car.
You have a slight wobble, but it's okay.
Can you spin it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see. Maybe if they tighten it up, maybe they can fix it.
Typically, yeah.
But I don't know. Maybe they have to replace this.
I used to work on bikes myself. That's how.
Oh,
It is
one
a
of my
slight-
mirrors are on too. Maybe it's on the road.
right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I never got hit by car. I at first felt like not real.
Shock, yeah, I imagine it.
Yeah,
was
not
just
real.
completely
And then I
shocking.
tried to lift myself up. I just couldn't. But now I feel fine.
You need a cold water?
I do need water.
So
Yeah.
there's this grocery
Okay.
store right here. I'll go get you a water.
Okay, good.
Yeah, nothing like that has ever happened.
Yeah.
And I'm sitting there worried about the guy on the motorcycle. When that happens, it's insane.
I don't know what's arm is. It's not broken, but it hurts.
Yeah, no, the elbow got some damage, and I feel really
Yeah.
bad. I'm glad, yeah, you didn't.
Huh.
I don't know. You were a professional rider and not just one of these
I
people out here
know.
riding a bike for transport.
I assumed that you saw me, but sometimes things happen.
Yeah,
I
I was
don't know.
about to say, I'm not worth a dime, but if I can give you my information and let me know that tire looks like it's got to be $300, I have no idea. The bike looks super. I don't know.
It's a carbon bike. I think the frame and everything is good.
Yeah,
Tire only.
I'm not gonna deny any. I see it wobbling when it spins.
Yeah.
And,
Probably it needs
might
to be
a tightening
replaced.
thing, but it might be bent somewhere.
I don't know if
So-
they can do anything about it or just replace it. It's wobbling.
I'm glad you're alright. Fuck you.
I'm alright. I have to go to the bike shop and
You got a cell phone?
I do.
Hey, just give him a picture.
Yeah, that'll work.
A picture of the ID or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm pretty
Your
sure
phone?
you guys can handle it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Simply, yeah, your hands are
What's
still.
your phone number?
It is 904.
You want me to type it? Your hands are
Yeah,
going.
my hands are shaking.
Yeah. Relax, I got you.
Guy who hit me. Calling guy who hit me.
Nah, man, it happens, dude. Accidents happen.
Yeah.
Really?
Accidents happen, yeah.
Has
It
to.
was so unreal, like
Yeah. Completely shocking experience.
So I'm calling you right now. So you
Okay.
have it.
Alright, yeah, I just
But,
tapped
you
it
know
in
what I'm saying? It's just honestly, fuck, dude. I'm just glad.
Could have been worse.
Could have been way worse.
And you could have got hit
But
by a worse
honestly,
person.
dude, I'm
I know.
really glad that there was no other traffic behind
Oh, yeah,
me.
yeah,
You know what I'm
yeah.
saying? Because like when I was making the turn, in my mind, mentally, I was like, oh, well, let him pass fully before I make
Walk
this
away,
left-hand turn. I
yeah.
literally looked at you, but while I was making this left-hand, I'm driving that big-ass truck, and I look at him, and I heard it. You know what
Yeah,
I'm saying?
I was
So
looking that
like,
way.
oh, shit. You know what
I
I'm saying?
apologize, Thomas. I really do.
Nah,
Things
man.
happen. My...
Yeah, things happen, dude.
Alright, actually hurting, but it's gonna take some time. Because
It's gonna be sore for sure. Right on that elbow. Yeah.
Yeah, that elbow is kind of
No, it's not broken, otherwise I wouldn't be able to
Yeah.
move. But I fell on it like that.
Right. No,
shoulder.
it's
You
definitely.
gotta.
It's so weird because it didn't even seem that hard. And yeah,
Yeah.
no, like when I saw your elbow, I was like, oh, what the fuck?
No, you
yeah,
fucking
yeah.
tapped it.
Concrete is
So he
unforgiving.
hit the
You want to try to do a circle? Or
Yeah.
maybe a straight line? Let's just make sure. You know, if I need to drive you, I'll take you where you need to go. Or I think it was too. I think I barely caught you. Honestly.
Yes, I was hoping that I can get through, but
I wasn't gonna say it, but yeah, yeah.
I
you
almost
tried to get
made
me
it.
to the cars. But no, we're good, brother. That's obviously my fault.
the only concern I have that I can't really cripple all the
Gripping good? Okay, yeah, you don't look like the type, but like just anything I can do here, I don't know what to do. It's kind of crazy.
Let me just circle around. I can't really use it because I don't know. Hopefully nothing is broken because the pain is here. You see, nothing visible. But the longer
Look, you got us damned on your finger too. Give me 2 seconds.
it's getting worse actually. I got hit by car first time. This one, and my arm is hurting, and the back tire is wobbling.